moment of silence for the skin, please. Thank you very much. I mean, girl. Anyway, hi guys, how you doing? How you all been? I hope you've been good since the last couple of videos. Thank you so much for the engagement. Thank you to the new subbies. Vijana Subaru, my friends, Vijana Subaru. Anyway, I hope you guys have been alright. Thank you to the new subbies. Thank you to all y'all who take the time to share my content, to text me, to comment down below. Like, God bless y'all's hearts. I mean, like, we're such a cute little family and I just love it here. I love it here. So for today's episode, we are going on a getaway. It's a hidden gem, basically. I've been seeing guys post these reels. So I asked a couple of friends of mine who, if they knew that place. Then turns out one of my friends in one of my friend groups knew it. So it's called Charlie Beach. It's in Ruiru. Apparently it's a dam that is kind of like a resort, something like that. So you can sit somewhere and eat and have drinks, and you can pay for boat rides and stuff like that. So come along with me on this journey as we discover this hidden gem, as we spread good vibes, because that's all we share. Like, he channel, yeah, good vibes and good vibes only. All right then. So let's go meet the culprits that are gonna join me on this journey. And then after that, nothing but good vibes only. Bye. Excuse me, drip change. I know, I look cute, right? Okay, let's go. No! Okay, we're here to pick up culprit number 2. Hi, cutie! Oh my gosh, you look so good! Yeah, honey! What are you doing?
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Oh, you're very fucking hot.
Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside,
Yeah.
been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
This place is just all right, let's go eat. All right guys, so cute little update, price updates. So Nyama a kg is like 8 song, so unacheza nayo as to the people you're with. Then you have to pay for fries, that's 150, and then ugali is 50 bob. That's basically what's here. We didn't ask about drinks because we're sure they're very much expensive, but yeah. So the only disclaimer I've noticed is that they take a very long time. This guy said an hour, I'm like, an hour. But anyway, so within that hour, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on a boat ride. The boat ride price is it's 150 per head, half dam. If you wanna go the full dam, it's 150. Then there's another distance for 250 and another distance for 400 per head. Yeah. Then they have jet skis, which is pretty cool. I like that, by the way. Can you imagine jet skiing in a dam? It like the only time I ever had to jet ski was in a beach and it felt good. So I'm imagining in a dam where it's a bit more controlled. Must be nice. Anyway, it's 400. There's a distance for 400 and a distance for 750. So that's it for the price update. So let's go on the boat ride. I also should have mentioned that 2 of our friends are very late. One of them tulipatana kwa njia kona shughuli, maybe he has a date. Then the other one is literally leaving town now. So tena tu tupige sherehe peke yetu. Sawa, acha tukapige sherehe, bye. We look like we're about to fight crime or some shit like that.
Bad boys, bad boys.
You facing this side?
Let's go! Kuna crocodiles?
Naweza mkono ndani ya maji.
Crocodiles.
Hadi nioge.
Woo!
Soft life.
Soft life.
Soft life, my head.
Ona, si tumelewa bro. Usitufanye ile kitu. Tumelewana.
This is the biggest dam in Nairobi.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Oh. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice.
Hey, what's up, people?
Introducing this very late comer.
I'm tired.
And you missed the boat ride. Hi. Scale of 1 to 10, how was the boat ride?
It was very nice. I can't rate it. It was really nice. It was a calm vibe. It was very chill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can't take adrenaline, you should just pay for jet ski. But we didn't know there was jet skiing. So in our mathematics in our heads, we're like, if we go jet skiing, we'll have to sacrifice another activity. So yeah, but anyway, if you want adrenaline, jet ski, please come with extra things. I don't know, why would you jet ski in jeans? We're not judging them, but we're judging them. But anyway, it was really nice. It's such a Y'all should just come here. Come here with your boys, come here with your girlfriends. Everybody you could come with. Alright. As for sandals, they're here. E.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now. I hesitate and then get chewed out. No point in conversations. I can't seem to shake this, cause she hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I ruined my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not.
Alright guys, welcome to the end of the vlog. If you stuck by me all through, barikiwa sana. Thank you. May God grant you clear skin and money and blessings. Anyway, I think that's about it for today. I hope you've enjoyed. If you'd like more details about this, feel free to comment down below or text me on app, because half of y'all are literally people in my contact list, and I truly appreciate y'all. I hope you remember that. So this place generally, like, vibes is like a 10 out of 10. Like, have you all seen the views? Like, it's a dam that literally looks like a lake. It's beautiful. So what we didn't know is that there are other restaurants around here. We didn't know. We just thought it's one place. So yeah, so along the, like, when you're driving down the rough road, you can keep driving straight as you pick whatever restaurant you feel suits you. So the ones we came to, I'm not gonna lie, the service, I'd probably give it a 4, because they took literally 2.5 hours to give us our food, only for them to tell us one of the things we ordered wasn't even there. I'm like, so no one felt the need to come and tell us so that we can know if we're canceling or moving to some other place. But yeah, but the food was good though. It's just tulinyongwa, in short, tulinyonga kama nonsense. But it's a nice place. It's a nice place for you and your friends to just come and chill. There's someone who's holding a graduation party here, so it's really, really nice. I'd recommend it honestly. As in, it's a nice getaway. Plus, it's in Ruiru, so if you're in Nairobi, it works really well for you. I think that's about it, really. Please, if you've enjoyed this, if it's the first time watching this content and you like it, click the subscribe button and share this video or something. That's about it. Goodbye.